तो बेटर उसको रोड ऐसी दे दो जहाँ पे सही से चल जाए।
But it needs to be done together.
Solution
Again,
is the
forward,
same.
talking to people gives me dopamine.
और हम उस चीज के बारे में सोचते रहते हैं कि ये दीवार पे ना लिख दे।
Your prefrontal cortex is capable enough to come up with new creative solutions.
And conversations became scrolls. Every parent I meet today carries the same guilt. मैं अपने बच्चे को समझा नहीं पा रहा. They see their child lost behind a glowing screen, angry when asked to stop, and restless when away from it. But what if I told you it's not just about willpower, it's about chemistry, dopamine, the tiny molecule in the brain that decides pleasure, focus, and even love. And our kids, they are drowning in digital dopamine. आप सोचिए, जब एक छोटा बच्चा रोज सुबह शाम फोन देखकर उठता सोता है, तो उसका दिमाग रिवॉर्ड और रेस्ट के बीच क्या फर्क भूल जाता है. अटेंशन स्पैन कम हो रहा है, एम्पैथी फेड हो रही है, और हम सोच रहे हैं बस स्क्रीन टाइम बढ़ गया है. नो, इट्स डीपर, it's emotional, it's rewiring childhood itself. Today, we are going to talk about real face of screen addiction, not statistics, not blame, but what's actually happening inside our kids and how we as parents can help them reclaim the childhood. Joining me is someone who's seen this battle up close, a parenting coach, a counselor, and a guide to thousands of families, Manvi Gupta. Together, we'll explore why this addiction is unlike any other and how families can heal together, what real life screen recovery actually looks like. Because maybe digital detox isn't about switching off screens, it's about switching on connection. So let's begin. Welcome, Manvi. And मैं तो समझा चुका that what you do in the introduction, but in your own words आप क्या करते हो? Because वो बड़ा interesting लगा था when we were just talking. So what do you do actually?
It's a very difficult question to answer. What do I do?
Mhm.
So I have studied child development and counseling for 6 years, and then uh, I started working in the field of child counseling and parent coaching gradually. It's been 13 years I'm working in this field. Gradually, while I was working, I discovered my purpose of doing all this.
Mhm.
There, there is a synchrony between us, the whole purpose of service to mankind. And that's where I felt that my purpose is to support parents, to support children, to build a connect between them, to empower families to grow together. That's what my purpose is. So whatever I do is to reach to that purpose. So I support children in their mental and emotional well-being in their journey of self-discovery. And then I also support parents. I empower them through various parenting programs that we conduct in our
Right.
organization, Parvarish. Yeah.
Right. So basically, in other words, in more simpler words, मैं बोलता हूँ कि you are one of those parenting coaches, parenting experts who I can come for any question that I have in my mind about
Yes.
anything parenting.
Yes.
Right?
Absolutely. Apart from prescribing medicines.
Yes, for that we are there.
Yeah.
Okay. So, the most important topic or the elephant in the room is screen. और बच्चे are almost glued to the screen these days. हम बच्चों को ही नहीं टारगेट करते, हम लोग भी, मैं, आप, इस स्टूडियो में बैठे हुए सब लोग, somewhere a break of 10 minutes mandatorily means for most of us कि चलो कुछ short content देख लेते हैं. Let's scroll through our screens. But since we're talking about parenting, I want to focus on the kids per se. होता क्या है, बच्चे जब स्क्रीन देख रहे हैं तो इनके दिमाग में चल क्या रहा है? छोटे बच्चे हैं, let's say they are 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. What is happening in their brain?
So what is happening in their brain? I'll start with this new word that has got added to our dictionary, if you know, brain rot.
Yes.
तो ये हो रहा है दिमाग में.
Brain rot हो रहा है.
Brain rot हो रहा है.
Okay.
That's it.
That's awesome.
तो ये क्वेश्चन कि बच्चों के दिमाग में चल क्या रहा है, इसके दो पर्सपेक्टिव से आंसर है. आउटकम क्या हो रहा है? ब्रेन रॉटिंग हो रही है, डूम स्क्रॉलिंग हो रही है और ब्रेन रॉटिंग हो रही है. चल क्या रहा है इज दैट इज व्हाट इज मेकिंग देम glued onto screens. Now this happens gradually over a period of time. When a child is born, just like what I have seen, and you must have also observed, that parents nowadays, while they're changing the diapers or while they have to tell their toddlers to drink milk,
Yeah.
they have to show them YouTube videos.
Yeah.
So that they at least drink or eat, they take the basic nutrition.
Yeah.
वहाँ से journey start होती है, and then it reaches to a level where children are addicted to video games, shorts, reels, videos, etc., etc., etc. Now there is a whole world altogether that's happening to them, that's making them glued onto this whole periphery and this whole territory of screens. Screens is giving them so much. The outcome is definitely a huge damage on their development. 0 to 18 years, why they are defined as a child, even if, legally also we define them as children, because that's the time where children are growing and developing.
बिल्कुल.
There is a huge impact on their development and growth because of the usage of screens. A lot of researchers now have indicated and shown us that the impact of any kind of a substance, nicotine, or any kind of a psychoactive substance, the impact of cocaine and nicotine is equal to the impact of screen on a child's brain. There are if you'll go on YouTube or if you'll Google, you'll see the MRI scans of brain of children. So if you compare a MRI scan of a brain of a child
Yeah.
who's consuming a substance and a child who's not consuming a substance but on screens, the scans are similar.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The lights are gone. It has turned dark.
So basically, there have been a lot of studies, just to add to yours, there have been a lot of studies that has classically shown not only screens, even sugar for that matter,
Yeah.
they also have a same habit कि वो भी ना अपने तरफ dependent बनाते हैं. अब the craving to watch more or craving to eat more happens. और ये same areas हैं सबके जो light up होते हैं on the scan when they are addicted to some drugs.
Yeah.
तो imagine कि हम कितने aware हैं इस बात के लिए कि बच्चा गलती से भी कुछ गलत ड्रग ना ले. Of course, nobody wants that. But हम उसको कैंडी तो पकड़ा रहे हैं, हम उसको हर तरीके का शुगर पकड़ा रहे हैं और हम उसको अपनी जेब से निकाल के स्क्रीन भी पकड़ा रहे हैं.
So it's like you are offering a smoke.
It's
You're-
as good as that.
When you're giving a gadget that please watch this video, even if you're showing Peppa Pig or even if you're showing Jolly Phonics to your child,
Yeah.
look at it that it's not a gadget. Maybe it's a vape that you're offering to your child. How
Imagine,
scary that it is.
it's a wonderful idea for anti-screen campaign ना कि हम दिखाएं पहले कि बच्चे को स्क्रीन दे रहे हैं और it suddenly turns into a vape.
It does.
But actually, and you know why it is even worse? क्योंकि it is coming in वो होता है ना कि हमने कहानी सुनी थी भेड़िए के रूप में वो कुछ इनोसेंट इंसान बन के आता था और अंदर से वो भेड़िया होता था. Can you imagine, like we are actually giving such innocent devices, but in reality वो कितने harmful हैं. But truth be told, हो तो रहा है, ठीक है, and kids are watching that. So one way is to कि आपने मेरे को बताया कि it is brain rot and all of that. There's also connection with dopamine.
Yes.
So if you can just throw a little bit light on that and वो कैसे हो रहा है.
Dopamine is the reason why you were saying that even if sugar, drug,
Mhm.
screen, the impact is same. The whole reason behind it is the way the dopamine functions in our brain.
Yeah.
So dopamine is a hormone that
Mhm.
secretes in our brain whenever we are enjoying any activity. So dopamine is associated with the part of my brain
Mhm.
which gives pleasure,
Yeah.
which gives me happiness,
Mhm.
and it triggers a drive in me.
Okay.
So the human body, the human brain is made in a way to intrinsically secrete dopamine, to have those experiences, and my brain will secrete dopamine, which can be different for each and everyone. For example, like I said that this is my purpose, so talking to people and listening to them and being connecting to their emotions secrete dopamine in my brain. Now that's something that is an internal factor. As we are moving forward and as we are progressing, we are finding external factors to secrete dopamine. For example, a 20 rupees chips packet. You open that packet, you pick up a chip, you eat it. You can't finish that packet. You can't keep that packet without finishing it. You have to finish.
Yeah.
That's what dopamine do to you. Dopamine एक ऐसा hormone है जितना वो secrete होता है, the brain wants it more, and the more you secrete it, the brain wants it more. And then it wants more and more and more and more.
Yeah.
Now, with the screens, what's happening is it's coming so easily accessible to children. And even at a very young age. WHO says that till 18 months, 1.5-year-old child, it's not advisable by World Health Organization to give exposure of screens to children.
Yeah.
And now just imagine that child is exposed to screen while feeding, while let's say eating, while playing, or just sitting idle because there is nobody else to do anything with the child. And then the human brain is getting tuned to secrete dopamine with the screen usage. Now 5 minutes of screen time, let's say, is secreting X amount of dopamine. Now the brain is now getting used to this equation कि मुझे इतना input मिलेगा और इतना dopamine मिलेगा. Now the intrinsic factor, the intrinsic ability for the human brain to secrete dopamine is damaged.
Yeah.
वो कर ही नहीं सकता वो
Right.
secrete.
बिल्कुल.
Imagine that you're waking up in the morning, you're going for a jog, you're doing things that you like, you're cooking breakfast for yourself, you're doing your stuff, and the brain is secreting dopamine. And now compare it with the situation you wake up and you're on your screen, you're scrolling, you're checking your notifications, you're replying snaps. There are
Million
many
different
apps.
things, yeah.
You open your phone for a reason and then you forget why did you open your phone. That is so common for us.
I think 90% time that happens, yeah.
So then अब डोपामिन कैसे रिलीज होगा और डोपामिन किससे रिलीज होगा? क्या आपको अपनी रेगुलर एक्टिविटीज में हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी, रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा, प्लेजर फील होगा? नहीं होगा.
इसलिए सब दुखी हैं. In fact, if you've heard of this book, I think Dr. Anna Lemke, Dopamine Nation. So book, so if I'm not wrong, she is a faculty or associated with Stanford University. उनकी बुक है डोपामिन नेशन. वेरी राइटली पुट. हम कहाँ रह रहे हैं? हम डोपामिन नेशन में रह रहे हैं. एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट डोपामिन. मेरे को एक एक्स्ट्रा रील देखनी है क्योंकि मुझे डोपामिन किक चाहिए. मुझे एक एक्स्ट्रा स्मोक करना है क्योंकि मुझे डोपामिन रिलीज चाहिए. एंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज अ प्रोसेस जो आपने भी बताया इज कॉल्ड डोपामिन बर्नआउट. मेरी बॉडी में एक लिमिट है डोपामिन बनाने की. बच्चे ने आज 2 मिनट देखा, उसको एक्स अमाउंट ऑफ खुशी मिली. खुशी को हम डोपामिन बोल देते हैं यहाँ पे क्योंकि डोपामिन उसको प्लेजर फील करा रहा है. और कल उसको वही सेम 5 मिनट का कार्टून वो एक्स अमाउंट नहीं दे पाएगा डोपामिन का. वो एक्स माइनस समथिंग देगा. तो वो ये 5 मिनट को बढ़ाएगा. यार आज मैं ना 8 मिनट देखूंगा कार्टून, तो ये एक्स तक फिर से आएगा. अगले दिन ये एक्स फिर से एक्स माइनस हो जाएगा, तो ये और ये बढ़ाएगा. इस तरीके से वो अपना व्यूइंग टाइम बढ़ाता रहेगा just to cope up with that same level of pleasure that he got it the last time.
That's what happens with any kind of a substance.
With any kind of a substance.
Now, in parenting context, I'll draw a parallel because a lot of parents use incentives and rewards to get things done by children. बच्चों को स्कूल नहीं जाना तो चलो कोई रिवॉर्ड देते हैं, पढ़ना नहीं है रिवॉर्ड देते हैं, ट्यूशन नहीं जाना रिवॉर्ड देते हैं. सो लेट्स से अ 5-year-old आप उसको रिवॉर्ड देते हैं कि ठीक है आज तो स्कूल जाएगा, तो जब तुम घर आओगे ना आई विल गिव यू आइसक्रीम और आई विल ब्रिंग योर फेवरेट लेट्स से सेट ऑफ कलर्स. एक कलर सेट आया 10 pens का and the child has gone to school. Today he's come back and you have given him a scoop of ice cream and a color set of 10 pens. Done. आज का काम जॉब डन. बच्चा स्कूल चला गया, आके खा लिया, डन. नेक्स्ट डे बच्चे को स्कूल नहीं जाना, क्या सेम रिवॉर्ड वर्क करेगा?
नहीं.
आज वो जाएगा एक स्कूप ऑफ आइसक्रीम के लिए और कलर्स के लिए? नहीं जाएगा. फिर थर्ड डे जाएगा, फोर्थ डे जाएगा. अब आप रोज रिवॉर्ड्स तो दे सकते हो बिकॉज एज वी आर ग्रोइंग वी आर ऑल्सो ग्रोइंग इन आवर कैपेसिटी टू गिव रिवॉर्ड्स टू आवर चिल्ड्रन फाइनेंशियली.
Yes.
तो आप ये तो दे सकते हो, आज एक सिगरेट दे दो, कल 2 दे देना, फिर एक वेप दे देना, फिर घर में शीशा ही रख लेना. ये हम कर लेंगे. बट द होल पर्पस बिहाइंड गिविंग इंसेंटिव्स टू चिल्ड्रन वाज व्हाट? सेंडिंग देम टू स्कूल. So why is he going to school now? Is he going to the school to really go to school and learn and be with his
Just to get those rewards, yes.
So rewards is also losing its value because you
Yeah.
have to
Yes.
incentivization कितनी बढ़ रही है
बिल्कुल.
and school का purpose भी defeat हो रहा है. And we are damaging children because अब हमने उन्हें ट्यून कर दिया है A करोगे तो B मिलेगा. तो लाइफ में ना कुछ भी रिवॉर्ड के बिना नहीं करना. मैं तभी रेस में भागूंगा जब मैं जीतूंगा. आपने मुझे बास्केटबॉल में डाल दिया पर मैं तो जीत ही नहीं रहा, मुझे नहीं खेलनी बास्केटबॉल. पेरेंट्स हैव दिस रेगुलर परसिस्टेंट कंप्लेंट्स कि बच्चे कोई एक्टिविटी परस्यू ही नहीं करना चाहते हैं एंड बिकॉज दे से कि मुझसे हो नहीं रही. But they do not want to make an effort to practice it, to achieve that skill, to acquire that skill. The whole process of acquisition of a skill is completely getting damaged in this Gen Z and Gen Alpha.
Yes.
because the process that they have to go through to do it again, do it again, do it again.
खत्म हो गया वो.
Yeah, because instant gratification.
Yes.
The same thing I'm getting from screen by just being a couch potato.
Yeah. Yeah.
My brain is rot. जब मुझे सब कुछ बैठ के मिल रहा है, I'm getting a sense of achievement while I'm playing games. I am getting engaged and I am getting all the happiness and pleasure just merely by a small screen. Why do I go out in the ground, in the field and play a basketball and try to throw some more balls and do all that?
एक्चुअली इनफैक्ट पता है हमारी बॉडी के अंदर ब्रेन के अंदर एक पार्ट होता है जिसको हम न्यूक्लियस अकिम्बेंस बोलते हैं,
Yes,
राइट? सो या तो ये जो गेमिंग पैटर्न्स है ना, इनकी एडिक्शन और एक्चुअल रियली बैड सब्सटेंस एडिक्शन जो होती है नार्कोटिक्स की, जो गंदे ड्रग्स हैं, और जो गेमिंग वाला है, दोनों का एग्जैक्ट पैटर्न दिखता है
yes,
न्यूक्लियस अकिम्बेंस पे.
yes.
अगर इससे नहीं समझ में आ रहा हाउ बैड दे आर, आई डोंट नो क्या होगा. इनफैक्ट मैं नाउ आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट पीपल प्लेइंग गेम्स. मॉडरेशन इज ऑब्वियसली गुड. हम अपने आई थिंक हम अपने मेडिसिन स्कूल में थे उस टाइम पे, एंड XYZ गेम आया था. आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन नेम द गेम्स राइट नाउ. सो XYZ गेम ऐसे जाना होता था, गन्स मिलती थी, मारना है, ये करना है, एंड सब लोग खेलते थे बैठ के. मेरे को अच्छे से याद है उस टाइम पे ऐसा हो गया था कि हम जब नॉर्मल भी मैं सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतरता था ना, विंडो दिखती थी ना, और कोई दिख रहा होता था बाहर, किसी की खोपड़ी दिख रही होती थी, किसी का हेड दिख रहा होता था, लाइक यार ये तो बिल्कुल इजी शॉट है, वी कैन. सो इफ that can actually happen with people, like inside their mind they start
In a
thinking
grown-up's mind.
in the grown-up's mind.
You
what is
must be
happening?
above 18. And
Yes, yes, absolutely.
your
Like,
frontal
above
cortex,
20
your frontal lobe.
was good developed, right? और इनफैक्ट क्योंकि आपने फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स की बात करी, प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स जो हमारा होता है इज राइट बिहाइंड दिस एरिया, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि इस वजह से हम इंसान हैं.
Exactly.
वी आर नॉट लाइक अदर एनिमल्स. वी हैव द एबिलिटी टू थिंक,
Think,
टू
create.
क्रिएट, टू प्लान.
Yes.
हम फ्यूचर देख सकते, हम फ्यूचर प्लान कर सकते हैं. ये एरिया में ग्रे मैटर पूरे ब्रेन में होता है. इस एरिया का जो ग्रे मैटर होता है, बहुत डायरेक्ट रिलेशन देखा गया है. इट रिड्यूसेस इन साइज in children जो more than 4 hours of consistent screen time दिखाते हैं.
Yes.
मतलब सारी रिसर्च बोल रही है, बट फिर भी क्योंकि
The
वो
lining
खाना
is
नहीं
get-
खाता,
The lining is getting thinner and
It's
thinner
thinner and
and
thinner.
thinner, which has a great impact on the developmental domain of language acquisition, communication, social.
even emotional stability.
Yes.
They're not able to. आजकल बच्चे रेगुलेट नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो where I was saying is कि because of this, what is actually happening later is this emotional dysregulation. ठीक है? So there's a very interesting study that was found कि why people don't want to get married, why their divorce rates are going high, why so much of separation is happening, and why so much of substance addiction is also happening is because there is no emotional regulation ability in children, in teenagers, in later teenagers, and further young adults. सोचिए कहाँ से स्टोरी शुरू हो रही है. हम बच्चे को एक स्क्रीन दे रहे हैं एंड लुक एट टू वेयर इट इज गोइंग.
Yeah.
So Manu, you were talking about screen time recommendation. It's a very good topic and I would like to mention it here. American Academy of Pediatrics ने guidelines दी.
Yes.
हमारे इंडिया में ना कोई guidelines है नहीं अभी so far, जो exactly हम ये दे पाए. तो अभी एक ये guidelines हैं, तो we can narrate this here. मैं एक्चुअली ऑडियंस से बोलना चाहूँगा कि ना ये गाइडलाइंस बहुत सारी रिसर्च के बेस पे बनती हैं, तो देयर इज सम वैल्यू टू इट. एंड द गाइडलाइंस गोज लाइक दिस कि फर्स्ट 18 मंथ्स का जो बच्चा है ना, तो उसको आप स्क्रीन टाइम नहीं दोगे डायरेक्टली. थोड़ी बहुत वीडियो कॉल्स आर ओके बिकॉज फैमिली है, बच्चे को देखना चाहते हैं एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बिटवीन 18 मंथ्स यानी कि 1.5 साल से 2 साल तक के बीच में वी ओनली गिव हाफ एन आवर ऑफ गाइडेड स्क्रीन टाइम, मतलब हाई क्वालिटी एजुकेशनल स्टफ जो कि पेरेंट के साथ बैठ के बच्चा देखेगा. दैट इज को व्यूइंग. बिटवीन 2 to 5 years ना हम बोलते हैं कि बच्चे का स्क्रीन टाइम अगेन इट शुड बी एजुकेशनल, और अगर नॉन एजुकेशनल भी है थोड़ा जस्ट एंटरटेनमेंट, तो भी 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. और वो भी इनकरेज्ड है कि को व्यूइंग हो, कि हाँ मैं साथ में बैठ के बच्चे के देख रहा हूँ कि अच्छा ओ लुक एट द कार्टून कैरेक्टर, लेट्स से द कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स नेम इज XYZ. Look at the shorts that XYZ is wearing. Look at the horns on the XYZ's head. Something like that. So oh, what are horns, Papa? Oh, horns are these. So it becomes educational, it becomes your communication and also co-viewing of the book. 6 साल से ऊपर का बच्चे, I mean further up, they say that again limit the screen time. They don't mention number of hours, but it should be consistent and it should be minimal and it should be कि वो नींद को affect ना करें बच्चे की, जो should be good enough from 8 to 12 hours of sleep. तो इस तरह की guidelines हैं and I thought it's good to mention it because you brought that up. Having that said, I'm really interested to know real case scenarios आपकी life में जो हुए हों. If you can tell me some examples जो parents आपके पास आए with screen addictions और या फिर जहाँ पे उनको लगी ये genuinely एक problem है and they sought out to solve that.
It's a pretty broad topic, but I want to start from one line for all the viewers to understand that first of all, I'm starting with the examples that came to us before COVID. So please don't blame the pandemic that because of pandemic everything has been destroyed at our place. COVID ही reason था.
तो actually नहीं.
I want to state the examples that came to us way before 2019. Okay? A couple came to us. They have 2 sons. At that time, one son was in grade 4. So that must be 9 years.
Yep.
They observed their son pooping in his pants
Mhm.
while watching TV.
Oh.
He didn't want to get up and use the washroom. Similar cases started coming before COVID. Another child, again, same age group, 8 to 10 years. He was watching TV from a distance and he had a urge to pee. The washroom was just next to the bedside, so 5 steps away. He didn't want to miss a scene. And in this world, we all have the advantage of pausing the video so that it doesn't get skipped. हम दूरदर्शन वाले बच्चों का समाना नहीं है.
Yes, बिल्कुल.
He didn't want to miss even one glimpse. He got up, just turned his body towards the bedside table and his neck was still towards the TV and he peed right next to the bedside table. Such kind of scenarios come across to us where parents come to us and they say that the addiction is too much. And now what will parents do? Obviously, parents will also get anxious, afraid, scared. So what would be your first reaction when you see something like this?
Actually, most of the parents का reaction गुस्सा होगा. ठीक है? They most क्या I think सभी का almost ऐसा ही होगा कि अरे ऐसे कैसे कर दिया तुमने? Why did you do like this?
And when you know that it's happening because you didn't want to miss your screen time.
Yeah, all the more reason to go double down on that.
Yeah.
तो यही हुआ.
And even beat up the child.
That's the worst, but people do that.
Yeah. But that's action. That action is probably not commensurated, or maybe that was not something required, but the parent was not wrong here. Parents are also right now not empowered enough to understand what is it happening and why is it happening. Now this is one set of example. There are multiple examples that came across to us. The children are becoming violent. They are actually choking their parents' neck and they are pinning them against the wall to give them the gadget.
ये कितने छोटे बच्चे हैं?
ये बच्चे they are across 8 to 18. I'm talking to you because 8 साल से छोटे बच्चों के पेरेंट्स they do not come to us because वहाँ तो लगता है बच्चे हमारे कंट्रोल में है. चिल्ड्रन के साथ हम रिस्पेक्ट और ऑटोनॉमी तो जोड़ ही नहीं सकते हैं. Respect and autonomy are not made for children. At least I can say in our Indian parenting context. And in fact, our researchers, they say that this is the time where children need to experience autonomy.
Yes.
Otherwise, they enter into that world of self-doubt. There is such a cognitive conflict. A lot of our psychologists have given that from the basis of their own research.
In fact, I wrote a piece on children are mini adults. We used to call that. And they are really mini adults. And we actually spoke a lot about this part. कि क्यों मैं मिनी एडल्ट बोलूँ उनको, क्योंकि आपको ये सब समझना है कि मेरे को इसको एडल्ट की तरह ट्रीट करना है, कीपिंग इन माइंड दैट इट्स अ मिनी वर्जन. दैट मीन्स creating a safer environment for the child, and that's where my job ends. Like conducive environment, learning environment, that's all. बाकी वो बच्चा अपने आप फिगर आउट करेगा उसको क्या करना है.
So the symptoms of screen addiction, I think that's what you were trying
No,
to ask.
I wanted to ask, like आपने बताया कि 8 साल से 18 साल में these cases came. Another one was where the kid was almost spinning the I want to hear more such scenarios so that after such examples ना हम ये समझ पाएँ कि कब ऐसा हो जाता है कि मेरे को अपने बच्चे को एक पेरेंटिंग कोच या एक प्रोफेशनल हेल्प के पास लेके जाना है कि हाँ यार ये प्रॉब्लम है ना, अब मुझे लेके जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही स्क्रीन टाइम हो रहा है। मतलब व्हेन डू आई रियलाइज़ कि यार पानी अब नाउ इट्स अबव द हेड? दैट्स व्हाट बेसिकली आई वांट टू आस्क।
Yeah, that's also a very interesting question. So, see, first of all, as parents, there was no school or an institute for us to learn parenting,
बिल्कुल।
right? We entered into this job and we had to do it. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज अ पेरेंट हमें लगता है क्वेश्चन यहाँ से आ रहा है कि कब वो रेड फ्लैग, हमें ऑरेंज या रेड फ्लैग बता दो कि जब ये आ जाएगा ना, नाउ लेट्स कंसल्ट। आई वुड से कि अगर आपको येलो भी दिख रहा है ना, तब भी टेक सपोर्ट, और इनफैक्ट अगर येलो नहीं भी दिख रहा है तब भी स्टार्ट टेकिंग सपोर्ट, बिकॉज राइट नाउ यू एंड आई, हम दूरदर्शन वाले बच्चे हैं। हमें नहीं पता कि जब बच्चे स्क्रीन्स की तरफ हुक्ड होंगे हमें क्या करना है, हमें पता ही नहीं है। द जनरेशन वी वर बॉर्न इनटू एंड द जनरेशन वी आर रेजिंग राइट नाउ, दे आर टू डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड्स ऑल टुगेदर। सो हमें नहीं पता है। सो द होल आइडिया ऑफ रियली अप्रोचिंग अ चाइल्ड काउंसलर और अ पेरेंट कोच इज राइट नाउ बेस्ड ऑन कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम कितनी सीवियर है, मॉडरेट है या सीवियर है। परवरिश सेज use it as an education that you need to have to raise up your children, just the way we send our children to school to grow and develop and to learn other aspects of life. Similarly, parenting needs to be learned. It's like आपने अपनी एक सबसे महंगी कार ले ली है and you have taken it down on the road and you have not learned how to drive, and आप बस ले चले हो अपनी गाड़ी को and नहीं पता और वो ठुक रही है and we are doing hit and try. So first of all that. So don't try to look for a yellow, red or orange flags to see कि अब हमें जाना चाहिए. Firstly, please take support and understand क्योंकि you cannot devoid your children from screens and technology. And that's not the way also. The world is growing. The AI is going to overpower and replace human beings. So children need to be friendly with technology and need to be tech savvy. But how do they manage and balance it? हमें नहीं आता. First of all, let's accept this fact, हमें नहीं पता. So we need to learn that, firstly. Secondly, ऐसे कुछ साइंस, सिम्टम्स, इंडिकेशंस डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कि अगर ये चीज़ें हो रही हैं तो प्लीज़ डू नॉट इग्नोर. जस्ट डू नॉट इग्नोर कि हमें सपोर्ट ले लेना चाहिए. बिकॉज लर्निंग द होल आइडिया ऑफ टेकिंग सपोर्ट फ्रॉम अ चाइल्ड काउंसलर एंड पेरेंट कोच इज सच अ टैबू टॉपिक. वी फील आई एम फेलिंग एज अ पेरेंट, देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद मी.
वो गिल्ट आ जाता है ना।
Yes. So we take it like that, and that's why we don't approach somebody. So whenever you see certain behaviors in your children, like, so जैसे कि हमारी आपने AAP कोट करा, अमेरिकन अकेडमी ऑफ पेडिट्रिक्स,
आपका एपी होता है राइट?
APA, अमेरिकन साइकोलॉजी एसोसिएशन, उन्होंने एक बहुत स्ट्रेट लाइन दी हुई है जस्ट टू qualify a set of behavior from being a disorder or a regular kind of a behavior.
Yeah.
Whenever any kind of a behavior is disrupting your day to day functioning.
Yes.
So जब आपको लगता है कि आपका बच्चा स्क्रीन, पहले तो हमें WHO की गाइडलाइंस फॉलो, AAP की गाइडलाइंस फॉलो करनी चाहिए, लाइक पॉइंट ब्लैंक.
Yes.
Apart from that, if you see that your child's attraction towards screen and the need towards screen is increasing in a level that it's disturbing their day-to-day functioning. How does it disturb? Children wake up in the morning, they have bargained 15 minutes of screen time from their parents. कि पहले आप 15 मिनट मुझे देना. They wake up with the screen, then I will go and freshen up and get ready for the school.
Yeah.
So वहीं से start हो रहा है कि उनकी day-to-day functioning में impact आ गया. They are so much dependent on the screen, just like a smoke.
Yeah.
Like we have heard people that
Yeah, that
unless
they-
and until
They won't freshen up.
they
Yeah.
won't. So that's how. So similarly, when they come back, they need 15 minutes of screen time to have their lunch and to change. They want screen, otherwise they won't eat. Eating with screens. Now children have access to take their gadgets to the schools also.
Yeah.
So children are messaging each other while they are studying. Now these are certain behaviors that shows it very clearly that children are getting dependent on the screens just like any other substance. And the indication symptoms are also same. अगर आप एक addictive person से उसका cigarette ले लोगे, तो what kind of behaviors will you see? Withdrawal symptoms, aggression, irritability, zero tolerance, social behaviors उनके change हो जाएंगे, emotional well-being वो regulate नहीं कर पाएंगे. Just the way we have seen, let's say, people in movies.
बिल्कुल.
It's not over exaggerated. That's how people are actually being when they are addicted and the substance is taken away from them. Parents observe same set of behaviors from their children. So what they see on the periphery, the apparent behaviors are children have become aggressive. उल्टा बोलने लग गया है, झूठ बोलने लग गया
मतलब जब हम लेंगे उनसे विड्रॉल के बेसिस पे या जनरली भी?
जनरली भी क्योंकि आप उनको स्क्रीन टाइम 8 आवर्स 10 आवर्स नहीं दे सकते एंड 8 to 10 hours screen time is a normal phenomena now. Children come to us when we conduct a family session and we ask them कि okay how much screen time do you want? What do you think, how much screen can you manage? And your parents will not intervene. They said 8 घंटे तो चाहिए ही ना, as if it's their
हम
right.
स्क्रीन टाइम की जब बात कर रहे हैं तो हम वी आर टॉकिंग एवरीथिंग, वी आर टॉकिंग फोन, टैबलेट्स, टीवी, एवरीथिंग.
everything phone, tablets, TV, iPad, desktop and इसमें सब आ जाता है. They're watching OTT, they're watching movies, video games, shorts, reels, chatting, and a lot of other world is open for them. The
Yeah.
sexual content is easily accessible to them.
And that's
Yes.
so that is also one of the topics that we wanted to touch because it's so unsupervised screen time, especially in teenagers, because obviously कोई बात ही नहीं है supervision की उस age में. How accessible it is for them to touch upon wrong content, really wrong content, whether it is
They are not touching on it. The content is touching them.
yeah, the algorithms are made such way, and it's just not about only pornography, it's also about such deadly things. Do you remember the blue whale thing that
Yes.
came, right?
The
Something
Pokemon game वो जाके Pokemon
yes, so all of that.
So हमने COVID में सुना था that children are committing suicide because of the blue whale challenge.
Yeah,
And recently we got that news that the boy committed suicide with the help of chatbot.
yeah.
He was talking to
Right.
chat AI thing, and the AI started giving them prompts. And there is a huge interview of the parents and how they are filing a case against AI and
Yeah.
yeah.
Imagine. तो कैसे करें फिर? How do we deal with this? Let's try to divide this into 3 parts. ठीक है? मैं रेड फ्लैग्स तो समझ गया कि यार अगर ये प्रॉब्लम है तो डेफिनेटली जाओ, विच इज बेसिकली कि बच्चे की डे टू डे लाइफ को ही उसने डिस्टर्ब कर दिया है, तो डेफिनेटली गो एंड सी एन एक्सपर्ट. अब एक्सपर्ट हैं कौन? एक्सपर्ट्स पेरेंटिंग कोचेस हैं. ऑफ कोर्स परवरिश इज वन ऑफ द लीडिंग वंस हु इज वर्किंग इन दिस फील्ड. एंड बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि मोस्टली पीडियाट्रिशियंस के पास इसका बहुत डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं है, एंड ना हो सकता है बिकॉज इट्स अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस. इट्स मोर ऑफ अ काउंसलिंग that needs to be done, right? अगर हम ये तो हो गया, चलो जब रेड फ्लैग वाले हो गए, आपने बोला कि नॉट ओनली रेड, येलो भी है या फिर ऑरेंज भी है ना, तो भी थोड़ा सा अलर्ट हो जाओ. तो ये अलर्ट होने के लिए एक एजुकेशनल फॉर्मेट में पेरेंट्स को क्या पता होना चाहिए? मतलब रेड फ्लैग तो हमें दिख गया, चलो हाँ ये है तो लेके ही जाओ. तो when generally people will come to you to get educated about these things, red, green and orange part, yellow and orange part, आप क्या बताओगे उन्हें?
तो क्या पता होने से चाहिए से पहले ये स्टार्ट करते हैं कि पहले हम ये देखते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है. Whenever parents come to us, not in order to blame them or put them on the court, like put the ball in their court. First of all, it's very important for us to see how much dependent are we on screens.
Modeling.
So when children see their parents coming back home, एक typical India as a patriarchy society का example ले रहे हैं, not to label any gender. पापा घर आते हैं, वो क्या देखते हैं? पापा आते हैं, एक जूता इधर, दूसरा जूता उधर, बैग उधर, मेड अपनी हेल्प को फ़ोन करेंगे, चाय लेकर आना, ऐसा सोफ़ा होगा, यहाँ एसी होगा, वहाँ टीवी होगा, एक एसी का रिमोट और एक टीवी का रिमोट, उन्हें इस टेबल पे चाहिए और चाय आ जाएगी. एसी ऑन, टीवी ऑन. That's what children are seeing. अब parents have this thing कि I only get 30 to 40 minutes to relax and unwind. वो भी नहीं करूँ क्या? But we just need to understand आपके पास 30 to 40 minutes है and you're using it for screens. Children have 4 hours free just like that. So the equation is not 30 minutes. Equation is free time is equal to screen time.
Okay. तो इक्वेशन है जितना फ्री टाइम है, बच्चों का ज़्यादा फ्री टाइम है तो उनका स्क्रीन टाइम भी ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
And I'm talking about this, let me again reinforce, I am talking about situations before COVID. I personally started parent coaching in 2012. We have been talking about screens, junk food and substance abuse in the same domain, in the same equation since 2012. I am talking about it. So इसका COVID और pandemic से लेना देना नहीं है. Obviously the intensity and frequency has gone up. The technology has been more advanced. But please do not label the
Everything.
COVID as a reason to do all this.
Absolutely.
One part. Secondly, parents come to us. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि एडल्ट लाइफ बहुत ही रोजी है, जैसे हमें बचपन में बोला जाता था,
बिल्कुल
बेटा 10th में पढ़ ले, 12th 11th 12th मजे ही
बन जाएगी है।
जिंदगी बन जाएगी, फिर 12th में पढ़ लो, कॉलेज मिल जाएगा, जिंदगी मेहनत ही करने की जरूरत नहीं है, ग्रेजुएशन कर लो, मजे ही मजे हैं, जॉब लग जाएगी ना, फिर क्या करना है, फिर सोते रहना,
So you
कब है वो मजे, कब आएंगे अच्छे दिन?
biggest scam.
एग्जैक्टली तो ऐसा नहीं है कि एडल्ट लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज कि लाइफ इज इक्वली स्ट्रेसफुल फॉर एडल्ट्स, नॉट डिसमिसिंग दिस फैक्ट. सो पेरेंट्स की लाइफ भी बहुत ईजी नहीं है. दिस जनरेशन इज अगेन सैंडविच between their parents and their children,
Yes.
right? As a husband, as a son of the house, he is already sandwiched between his parents and his wife and his children. सबकी choices नहीं बनती. As a man of the house, वो सिर्फ सोचते रहते हैं कैसे मैं सबको खुश रखूं, ऐसा वेकेशन प्लान करूं कि सब लोग साथ में रहें और सब खुश हो जाए. इटालियन कुजीन भी आ जाए और नॉर्थ इंडियन कुजीन भी आ जाए और हम सब कुछ साथ में करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Same happens to a girl. So what I'm trying to say is कि even parents, उनकी लाइफ कोई बहुत अच्छी नहीं चल रही है यार, हम भी बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल है. We are also dealing with so many things. In my other podcasts and show, I keep talking about what a parent is going through. And there's a very clear way I say it, and it's very clear. A happy parent will never nurture an anxious child. And an anxious parent can never nurture a happy child. If
Yeah.
you are an anxious person altogether because of whatever reasons are going through in your life, you cannot nurture a happy child. So parents भी अपनी स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी को डील करने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? हम सबके पास इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन के वही रूट्स हैं, स्क्रीन, स्मोक, शीशा, अल्कोहल. स्मोक, शीशा, अल्कोहल बच्चों के सामने हम उतना विजिबली नहीं कर सकते, तो चलो
स्क्रीन कर लेते हैं,
गेम खेल लेते हैं, बिग बॉस देख लेते हैं,
फोन पे कुछ नहीं तो कुछ भी कर लेते
Scroll
हैं,
कर
स्क्रॉल कर लेते हैं. बिल्कुल.
तो सबसे पहले तो हम ही अपने स्ट्रेसर से एस्केप कर रहे हैं. एज पेरेंट्स वी आर एस्केपिंग फ्रॉम ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स वी आर फेसिंग राइट नाउ, एंड वी आर यूजिंग स्क्रीन्स, टेक्नोलॉजी एज अ मीडियम टू रन अवे फ्रॉम द अनप्लेजेंट इमोशंस.
ठीक है.
So if we are doing that, children also learn it. We have forgotten the ability, or we do not know the ability to be with our feelings. एंड हम सोचते हैं कि चलो हम एक हफ्ते का डिटॉक्स प्रोग्राम करके आएंगे, मेडिटेट करेंगे सुबह 15 मिनट, विल ट्राई टू स्टे काम. बट जब अपनी फीलिंग्स को फील करना है वो तो किसी ने बताया ही नहीं है, हमें तो फीलिंग्स को रन अवे करना सीखा है हमने. तो सबसे पहले पेरेंट्स आर देमसेल्व्स गोइंग थ्रू दिस. सो व्हेन पेरेंट्स कम टू अस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग वी से कि इन ऑर्डर टू डू एनीथिंग, even if I give you the script, the tips and the tricks and the technology and tools, processes, everything, nothing will work if you are not following the same. It
ठीक.
will not work, because then again this is something that you're advising to your children but you are not doing on your own.
बिल्कुल. Improvement begins with I.
Yes.
Like I will.
So that is the first thing. Secondly, stop labeling technology as bad. Stop labeling screen as a problem of everything. You must have seen these memes and trolls that children say कि मेरी लाइफ में कुछ भी गलत हो रहा है, so my parents say it's because you're spending too much time on screen. And we have started making screen as a reason of anything and everything that's going wrong in my life. But ऐसा नहीं है that technology and screen is bad. Right now, if we are able to relate to parents, our viewers, it's only because of technology.
Yes. The idea of conveying this message is also through technology.
Exactly. You and I got connected through technology.
Correct.
People are getting resolutions and answers to their
That
problems.
goes without saying. Technology.
Yes, there is nothing wrong with technology. So stop labeling technology and screen as a evil in your house.
Okay.
Look at how it's helping you also. Things have become easy. Life has become easy, simpler, faster, cheaper, only because of technology.
Yes, it has.
So it's very important that first of all we stop painting screen black. We stop painting technology dark, black in our house. Because otherwise it's a devil with which we are fighting, right? Then comes the third step, to just acknowledge and see that technology is right now made in a way that we get hooked onto it. Netflix and all these video games. Unfortunately, people with the same set of qualification, child psychologists and counselors, they have been the sources behind creating such technology and games. Especially if you talk about gaming. Gaming का जो भी character है, the plot, the characters, the whole thing कि मुझे खोपड़ी दिख रही है, मुझे shoot करना
हम्म,
है. All of this is made and created with the help of child psychologists and counselors, so that because they know how the child psychology works.
Yeah.
तो ये टेक्नोलॉजी बनाई ही इसलिए गई है कि आप और देखते रहो, और देखते रहो, और देखते रहो. Look at the content that we have so much of content on OTT.
Yeah.
Series, seasons, episodes, all are made like that they leave you with a suspense element that you come back and watch it again.
Absolutely.
There is a feature of autoplay. The next episode will play. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा 20 minutes.
Start भी हो गया.
Yes. And you have finished the entire season. So we just need to acknowledge that there are no stopping cues. We don't have any such stopping cues, and technology is made in a way that I will keep binging on it.
बिल्कुल.
That's the difference. Just picking up on a different elements. That's the difference between a cigarette and a vape right now. Still, there is no much awareness about vape. But cigarette, I don't know. I don't smoke. But वो कितने puffs ले सकते हो आप? Probably 20, anywhere between 10, 15, 20. Vape में you can take 200 puffs. And you're smoking non-stop. आपको पता भी नहीं
पता
चलेगा.
नहीं चल रहा.
Just like a packet of chips.
Yes.
जब तक वो चिप्स के पैकेट खत्म नहीं होगा, आप स्टॉप नहीं कर
इसको तो जलाना भी नहीं है.
इसको जलाना
Already.
पता भी नहीं चलेगा और स्मेल भी नहीं आएगी.
और स्मेल नहीं आएगी.
वो तो बहुत अच्छे फ्लेवर्स में आते हैं. बबल गम, पेपरमिंट, कॉटन कैंडी, स्ट्रॉबेरी, वनीला, चॉकलेट.
So true. तो अब पेरेंट्स करेंगे या फिर ठीक है, एक्नॉलेज करा, बी माइंडफुल अबाउट थिंग्स, गलत लेबलिंग मत करो टेक को. बट अब बच्चा तो लगा हुआ है. अब इसको हम एक काम करते हैं, विल डिवाइड इनटू सीन वाइज. ठीक है, पहली चीज हम करते हैं 2 साल से 5 साल के बच्चों के लिए. बच्चा ना बहुत स्क्रीन देख रहा है. मील टाइम पे बच्चा स्क्रीन मम्मी दिखा देती है, पापा दिखा देते हैं, इनफैक्ट दादू दादी भी दिखा देते हैं कि यार ये खा लेगा. अब मैं क्या करूं?
तो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, वी हैव टू स्टॉप ईटिंग विद स्क्रीन्स. सबसे पहले एज मॉडल्स हमें बंद करना है. एंड फॉर दैट ट्रस्ट मी, परवरिश रिकमेंड्स एक्सट्रीम एक्शंस. उसके लिए अगर घर से टीवी निकाल कर डिस्कार्ड करना है, सो डू दैट. टीवी डिस्कार्ड किया जा सकता है. रिमूव द टीवी. रखो ही मत गैजेट्स. दैट्स द सेम थिंग वी टॉक अबाउट जंक फूड. अगर जंक बच्चे के लिए है तो आपके लिए भी और आपके गेस्ट्स के लिए भी है. अगर कोल्ड ड्रिंक बच्चे के लिए ठीक नहीं है तो आपके लिए भी ठीक नहीं है, तो आपके गेस्ट्स के लिए भी इक्वली ठीक नहीं है. अगर वो बच्चे का गट खराब कर रहा है तो सबका कर रहा है. रिमूव कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, चिप्स, कुकीज फ्रॉम द हाउस. सो सिमिलरली, इफ टीवी इज द प्रॉब्लम राइट नाउ बिकॉज इट्स सो इजीली एक्सेसिबल एंड ऑल ऑफ अस आर सिटिंग टुगेदर बिकॉज ऑफ टीवी, रिमूव द टीवी. फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड देन सेकेंडली, करें क्या? 2 से 5 साल के बच्चे, अब हमने दिखा दिया. वी हैव टू स्टार्ट ईटिंग विदाउट स्क्रीन्स. It will take you 3 days, maximum 3 days. Now, after 3 days, children will make sure that all of us are eating together without TV. Initial 3 days, definitely children are going to throw tantrums. And why do they need TV? Actually, anybody for that matter, why do we need a screen to entertain myself or to make me feel better? Why do I need that? Because I'm struggling with something which I'm not able to deal with.
करेक्ट.
And also,
मतलब मैं मेरे को खाने में दिक्कत हो रही है. मे बी आई डोंट वांट टू ईट, मे बी व्हाटएवर द थिंग्स आर गोइंग इन माय माइंड एज अ किड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. और मैं क्योंकि टीवी देख रहा हूँ तो ओके आई एम समवेयर एल्स, तो चलो मैं खा लूंगा.
yes,
राइट.
yes.
ऑल्सो यू नो व्हाट इट डज, इट ऑल्सो डज वन वेरी बैड थिंग. आपका ब्रेन ना सेंसिटाइज है टू गेट द क्यू व्हेन यू आर ईटिंग. ठीक है, वो बताता है कि अब हो गया, अब नहीं हो गया.
Yes.
ठीक है, and that gets missed.
We're damaging that.
We're damaging that, and that is why you're going to see there is a bell curve graph of weight. अगर मैं ऐसे ग्राफ लेता हूँ और यहाँ पे मैं एज रखता हूँ और यहाँ पे मैं वेट लेता हूँ, तो आप देखते हो कि जनरली पॉपुलेशन ऐसे जाती है ऊपर और ऐसे नीचे आती है. हमारा जो बीच का है ना, बिटवीन लेट्स से 5% टू 95% को हम नॉर्मल मानते हैं. ठीक है, और भी इनफैक्ट थोड़ा आप कर सकते हो, बट ये नॉर्मल है. अराउंड 50 है, 75% ये बीच का. जो एक्सट्रीम्स है ना, लेस देन 5% और लेस देन 10% और अबव 95%. ये अबव 95% तो ये तो ओबेसिटी हो गई, मोटे हो गए. ठीक है, लेस देन मैलनरिश्ड हो गए. ठीक है, आप देखते जा रहे हो कि आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अर्बन एरियाज, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्चुअल लोग जो जिनके लिए खाना इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, उनके घर में कोई खाने की कमी नहीं है, दे कैन ईट द राइट फूड. आप देखते जा रहे हो कि ना, पता है क्या होता जा रहा है, जो ये दोनों एक्सट्रीम
हो
पे
रहा
नहीं, जो एक्सट्रीम पे जो पॉपुलेशन थी ना, वो दोनों तरफ से इंक्रीज हो रही है, एंड जो ये बीच का था ना ये और फ्लैटन होता जा रहा है। तो क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि या तो ज्यादा ही खा जाते हैं बिकॉज द क्यू इज मिसिंग कि भाई मेरा पेट भर गया, रुक जाओ, या उनको पता ही नहीं है कि मेरे को खाना है, क्योंकि क्यू आ ही नहीं रही है, इसलिए मैं खाऊंगा ही नहीं, मैं टीवी देखूंगा। सो बोथ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग।
Yeah. That is research based graphs that you're talking
Yeah,
about. But
yeah.
coming to the solution, what I was trying to say, something that works to 50 years.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm including everybody, children, parents, and then maybe probably grandparents. Like my father, he might be watching this podcast. He is addicted to phone like anything. Yeah. But what I was trying to say, that why do we need screens? Because we want that connect, we want that engagement. हमारे ब्रेन को डोपामिन चाहिए, वो अभी मिस हो रहा है। अगर हम अपने घर में, जैसे आपने को व्यूइंग बोला, सिमिलरली विद स्क्रीन्स व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड एट आवर होम इज को क्रिएशन. We need to create a family structure and follow that as a family. So let's say there is a child of 4-year-old in a family and there are 2 parents and 2 grandparents. 5 of you need to sit together and say ki, okay, from now on we are not eating with screens. हम नहीं खाएंगे. Collective decision and we follow it collectively. I'm telling you, I'm giving you a guarantee, 3 days. And 4th day, this 4-year-old, 5-year-old will make sure that the TV is not switched on while we are eating. But as an adult, we have to follow it like a T. And the child needs engagement. That अगर हम उसको TV नहीं देंगे तो उसके पास क्या है, वो क्या करे? The child is also sitting idle. We also need to give him those other non-screen activities. That's another thing that we suggest to parents and families. Create non-screen indoor or outdoor activities as a family and for your children.
नहीं, मैं तो अभी खाने की टेबल की बात कर रहा हूँ। तो अभी तक वो टीवी देख रहा था और खा रहा था। हमने बोला हमने टीवी हटा दिया या फिर बंद कर दिया। अब हम एक टेबल पे बैठे हैं। ही वाज सो accustomed टू वाचिंग टीवी। रियल वर्ल्ड सिनेरियो ये है कि आपस में इतनी बनती ही नहीं है या फिर इतने टॉपिक्स ही नहीं है कॉमन बात करने के।
स्क्रीन हटेगी तो बनेंगे, स्क्रीन हटेगी तो टॉपिक्स भी आएंगे। इट्स इम्पॉसिबल। जब हमारे पास स्क्रीन्स नहीं थे तो क्या नहीं थे टॉपिक्स?
इनफैक्ट एक्चुअली ज्यादा ही थे और
अभी भी बहुत है, बात करने के लिए बहुत कुछ है। स्क्रीन हटेगा तो बात करेंगे ना। अभी तो हमने वो ट्राई ही नहीं किया।
आपके एक्सपीरियंस में क्या रहा है?
ये मैं आपको अपने एक्सपीरियंस से ही बता रही हूँ। दैट्स व्हाट वी प्रमोट टू पेरेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स हु आर एक्चुअली फॉलोइंग इट, दैट दे गिव मी दिस फीडबैक. They give me this feedback that Manvi, we do this structure at home and those evenings and mornings are so peaceful, so joyful, so blissful. And अब हम संडेज को भी स्क्रीन नहीं देख रहे हैं बिकॉज हम ना वीकडेज में प्लान बना लेते हैं कि ओके अब हम संडे को ये करेंगे और सैटरडे को ये करेंगे, जब हमारा स्क्रीन टाइम पीक पे होता है. The thumb rule behind this and the golden rule, one pivot point to solve the screen time problem is co-creating and following it as a family. That is the ultimate solution. And then alternatively also creating non-screen activities at our disposal.
Yeah.
We need to create that as a ritual for us. So in a family of 4, mother, father and 2 children, everybody needs to have one thing that is a non-screen activity and that gives you dopamine. जिससे आपको वही हैप्पीनेस और प्लेजर मिलता है जो आपको शायद स्क्रीन से मिलता है. एंड कंसीडर दैट एज योर गो टू प्लेस. So for somebody it can be reading, for somebody it can be badminton, for somebody it can be dancing, singing, coloring. There are so many things.
तो ये सबके लिए अलग-अलग है।
Absolutely. Let everybody decide on their own. And people can do it at their own time also.
Yeah.
It could be good if as a family you decide 8 to 8:30 we're going to do this. One thing that we're going to do it together and one thing that we're doing at our own time.
Yeah.
We can do that. That completely depends from family to family, the space, the dynamics and everything. But it needs to be done together. Everybody needs to follow.
That makes sense, yes.
That's the basic thing that we are saying. And we have implemented this structure with a lot of families and it has worked wonders. And that's why I'm telling you, children will come up to you and hold you to account. That Papa आपने ये बोला था, अब आप ये कर नहीं रहे हो. They will hold you to account. And especially parents who are brave enough to come to us with their children and we are conducting family sessions there, we tell children and parents, both of them, that you need to be accountable to each other. And there are situations where children, message me from their parents' phone.
Okay.
I am appointing you as my lawyer right now. Talk to them. That's how things are happening in certain families who are able to implement all of this structure like we are saying. And we are not saying no to screens. In fact, if you see our Instagram page, I personally give a lot of movie suggestions to parents. Please watch these movies and content, like you were saying, co-viewing. Please watch this content. Get
Yeah.
to know what's happening to children.
Yeah.
Children who come to me for counseling sessions, I ask them, what are you watching nowadays? I go and watch them from their perspective. And those characters help me to understand their world. If
Absolutely.
I can do that as a counselor, parents can also do the same.
Yes.
And they can understand what attracts their children, what intrigues them, what is it that they want to know.
Yeah.
So not that do not watch a movie together or do not follow a series together. Please do that. But don't make it the only thing that you can do as a family.
Yeah.
Make sure you're sitting on a table. Like सबके घर में अपना structure होता है. Not that dining table is a compulsory thing, but make a structure, make a dedicated place to eat where all of you are eating together without the gadget.
Yeah. Actually, पता है, it's very interesting. जैसा आपने बोला, so when we watch something at our place, sometimes the perspective of children are so vivid that आपको लगता है ये तो कभी मैंने तो सोचा ही नहीं था. सिंड्रेला स्टोरी वी ऑल नो, सबने सुनी है. क्या होता है कि वो चैरियट होता है, वो पंपकिन से बना होता है, जो रैट कुछ बने होते हैं, रैट शेड हॉर्स बने होते हैं, एंड कुछ ना कुछ वो भी शायद जो ग्लास सैंडल होता है वो भी किसी चीज से ही बना होता है, राइट?
Yeah.
सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है, लेकिन ग्लास सैंडल क्यों नहीं चेंज होता? सो दिस वाज ब्रॉट टू मी बाय माय देन 4.5 year old डॉटर. पापा सब कुछ बदल गया तो फिर वो क्यों नहीं बदला, और वो क्यों रह गया है वैसा ही? समटाइम्स यू फिगर आउट कि हाँ, वी विल थिंक अबाउट इट.
Yes.
हम सोचते हैं. व्हाट वाज हर आंसर?
What?
हाँ, लेकिन फिर ये स्टोरी कैसे बनती? हाँ, ये स्टोरी कैसे बनती? वाओ, एक्चुअली व्हिच इज सो ऑनेस्ट.
Yeah.
ये स्टोरी बनती नहीं वे. So, sometimes that is one, and like you said, co-viewing followed by a good discussion about that, बच्चे को कितना enrich करता है और आपको भी कितना enrich करता है.
Absolutely it does. And that's what I do in my child counseling sessions, and that's what I tell my parents to do it. Please do it.
Perfect.
Please, whenever children are watching, and because we also impart sex education, we give sex education to parents and then they talk to their children about it. So we say, even if your children are interested to watch something beyond the certification of 13 plus and 17 plus, if they are willing to, if they want to watch, don't fight. Sit with them. Tell you, okay, let's watch it together. I in fact suggest them movies and content to watch. Please watch this with your children. Understand their world. What is it that they are getting attracted to? क्या चल रहा है दिमाग में? Please get to understand that.
So, you told me two things, actually three things. One, initially we talked about being mindful about कि भाई है क्या, when we're talking about how to deal with screen wala. Screens are not bad. What is the content? You'd be wary about that, everything like that. Second, you said co-creating uh, the plan, or
The screen time.
the screen time.
The screen time of the house.
Third, you said create screen-free activities that
Yes.
you really enjoy,
Yes.
that gives you a little bit of dopamine hit. It can be combined and it can also be separate.
Yes.
So these are few strategies. Can we add more to that?
Yes, and that's what parents can do and families do once they do all these things. Because now there is a space of communication. What is happening right now? There is no space of communication at home with respect to screens. It's a dark brick red zone at house. आप बात भी नहीं कर सकते screens के बारे में. So that's why everybody is confined to their rooms
And their screen.
with their screens. Once you do these things, you will have a place to discuss. और क्या कर सकते हैं बता? और क्या करना है बता? So we have families who come to us and say कि okay, now for this month all of us have decided that we have gained weight. तो हमने ना 50, अब हमने एक ट्रेनर रख दिया है जो सुबह आके ना हम 3 लोग मिलकर एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. So families decided because now there is a space of communication and the entire skill of problem solving and executing and application of prefrontal cortex comes into play. Because ये तो brain rot हो रहा था अभी तक, अब ये play करेगा. और हमारा आइडिया इज काउंसलर एंड कोच सॉल्यूशंस देना है ही नहीं. हमारा काम तो आपको रास्ता दिखाना है. योर प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स इज capable enough to come up with new creative solutions that you need to come together as a family. And what you do not destroy what you create. Something that gets created as a family with the child's autonomy and respecting each other's view stays for a longer period of time.
So true, actually. So, well, that brings us to conclusion, Manvi here. But before we end, कोई तो ऐसी story होगी ना आपकी which might have turned things around for you
Yes.
as a therapist.
Yes. It did. And that is like the set example for me, which I keep referring to, ki if that family can do it and more families can do it. But before I bring that family, I just want to mention that this is something that we follow to the core at Parvarish. We do not say, preach, or give anything without applying it here. So we taste our medicine first.
Okay.
So whatever I have said here, and whatever I suggested to this family and I suggest to more families, I first of all tried it on myself, and I tried it with my dad. I tried it with my partner. When I saw that it's working, and more precisely in that zone, that there's a communication zone now, I felt the connect has grown while we were following this process. We co-created a time, we followed it together, and secondly, we found alternative non-screen activities which we were doing at our own ends, and we were doing it. That's what I experienced as a magical transformation in my relationship. And that's what inspired me to give more, with more conviction, to other families.
Right.
So just wanted to share that. I'll just share
That's actually very, very reasonable to do. Yeah.
yeah. So I'll just share example of one family. So they came to us when their son was in 6th grade, so 11 years, and their daughter was around 3. So there was no scene of the daughter here in with respect to screen time. The screen time was pretty high, and obviously there is no zone of communication. शाम को parents घर आते हैं, बच्चा school से आता है, and there is all red zone in the house because we are just blaming each other, पॉइंटिंग फिंगर्स टू ईच अदर. तुमने पढ़ाई नहीं करी, तुमने क्लास वर्क नहीं करा, होमवर्क नहीं कर रहे, ट्यूशन टीचर वेट कर रहे हैं, तुम टाइम से नहीं गए, आप मुझ पे चिल्लाते रहते हो, आप मुझ पे अपना फ्रस्ट्रेशन उतारते हो. एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग. द बॉय इज नाउ इन 11 years old, so he has got this voice to point fingers at his parents and blame them and hold them to account for certain things. Now we started talking about the screen time thing. First of all, parents, I really salute those parents because they had the courage to approach us and put things on the table. It takes a king size heart to come to us. All the parents and children who really approach us, we really acknowledge them, because it takes a lot to approach somebody to for their problems to come and solve it for me.
Yeah.
So yeah, so they were open enough to see that even their screen time is out of control. So first of all, they spent enough amount of time to regulate it for themselves, and they took support, one-on-one support from me, where we de-layered that where is this urge coming from. What is it that you are going through in your life जिसके लिए आप स्क्रीन को एज अ रेस्क्यू यूज कर रहे हो,
मैं बच्चे के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोल रहा हूँ ना.
पेरेंट के पर्सपेक्टिव पे.
ओके.
So let's say Manvi.
Hmm.
So what is happening in Manvi's life that she is using screen as a rescue. I'm trying to deal with something, some unpleasant emotion, something that I'm not able to face, my fears, my insecurities, and I'm trying to brush away those feelings by accessing screens. शाम को आके जब मैं थक गई हूँ, why am I not reflecting on my day, and why am I opening Netflix? So first of all, parents took that support from me, where they de-layered their emotions and tried to understand what is it that they are struggling with, जिसकी वजह से they are hooking to gaming and screens and chatting and scrolling. First of all, that work was done by the parents. And then when they de-layered it for themselves, they could figure out that screen is just a means to escape from the real life. शाम को आके ना मुझे फिर से उसमें नहीं जाना है, उस chaos को नहीं face करना है, उस chaos को revisit नहीं करना है. That's when they could understand what's happening to them, and then they were at the perfect time and position to talk to their son about it. क्योंकि what's happening to you? They could understand their child's inner world. What is happening to him? What is he going through in school? What is he facing? जब वो घर आता है तो उसे कैसा लगता है? स्कूल में बुलिंग हो रही है, स्कूल में पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है, पढ़ाई समझ नहीं आ रही है, क्या फील कर रहे हो अपने बारे में, कहाँ पे कॉम्प्लेक्स आ रहा है, कहाँ पे अच्छा लग रहा है, तो वो कौन से इमोशंस हैं जिससे डील कर रहा है, और स्क्रीन हेल्प कर रहा है to ignore them, because screen is basically making me ignore and have a blind eye towards what is actually happening in my real life. So they could have that conversation. वहाँ से conversation start हुई, and gradually they reached to a point where they could co-create a family structure. हम screen time कितना रखेंगे? So evening में सबका screen time peak पर होता है, मम्मी पापा मैं सब free हो जाते हैं. Probably let's say 5:30 6 तक हम अपने occupied होते हैं अपनी daily task में. उसके बाद 6 to 9 is all screen time.
बिल्कुल.
हॉल का तो घर में इस्तेमाल ही नहीं हो रहा है. क्योंकि डाइनिंग टेबल पे कोई नहीं बैठ रहा, काउच पे कोई नहीं बैठ रहा, सब एसी चला के अपने रूम्स में हैं और वहीं पे सब कुछ कर रहे हैं। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स स्टार्ट यूटिलाइजिंग दिस पार्ट ऑफ द हाउस जिसमें हमने इतना इन्वेस्ट करके उसको इतना अच्छा डेकोर दिया है। हमने इतना आपस में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स फेस करे हैं, यू नो घर के इंटीरियर्स में हाउ डज इट गो बिटवीन फैमिली मेंबर्स. So they decided that let's utilize the center part of the house where there is no access to the gadgets. Phones, remotes are not allowed on the dining table, on the center table. That's what that family decided, and they decided a time from 7 to 7:30 we are going to play board games. They played Jenga, they played chess, they played Uno. Even with teenagers, the preteens, they played it, and children enjoyed it. Really, really enjoyed it. And then they decided what is it that is one non-screen activity that each one of them really enjoys. Like I said, same activity that gives me dopamine. What we talked about in the beginning, that talking to people gives me dopamine. Something gives you dopamine. So what is that in my life that gives me dopamine, which has no link to screens? So they decided that. They tried to do it. But just like Cinderella, it's not a fairy tale.
Yeah.
And they lived happily ever after. It's not like that.
Yeah, of course, there will be challenge.
Life happens and the structure breaks. But again, the good part about these families is they come back. Probably they ghost me for like 1 month or 2 months or 2.5 months, but they come back. Manvi, we are all scattered again. Please help us. They keep raising this alarm. Keep giving me this Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. उनका shout out आता रहता है. And then they keep coming back. They come together as a family. They again create it. They again grow it. Exact solution is absolutely the same. There is no other solution, and I want your prefrontal cortex to be developed. I'm not going to give you my solutions.
Yeah.
I'm just going to tell you that you need to sit together and see what is it that you as a family want to achieve. No child, no parent, no family wants to reach to a position of a brain rot. Nobody wants to reach to a place where we are not talking to each other.
पर पता है मम्मी, आपने जो बात बताई ना कि वो 11 साल का बच्चा है, पहले मैंने खुद इंट्रोस्पेक्ट किया कि मैं क्यों स्क्रीन देख रहा हूँ और मैं किस चीज़ों से भाग रहा हूँ या जो भी है, और फिर मैंने 11 साल के बच्चे के साथ ये किया. फाइन, फेयर इनफ. 11 ईयर ओल्ड किड. मैं यहाँ पे बात कर रहा हूँ 3 साल के बच्चे की, और 3 साल का बच्चे को हम स्क्रीन दिखा रहे हैं, और जब तक वो 11 साल का होगा ना, तो इट which I think it might not be a escapism for him or her. It will be a adat. It will be a part of life that he does not know, does not exist.
Yes.
He probably thinks ये तो ऐसा ही होता है. And that is why also क्योंकि हम ये बात कर रहे हैं और हमने इतना important topic छोड़ दिया virtual autism का, जो आजकल इतना so do you also see cases of virtual autism?
Yes.
Okay, so what is it exactly?
Before going to virtual autism, I want to talk about that part 3-year-old reaching 11-year-old. So that's why initially I said the children between 2 to like 7 and 8, maybe you don't need to have this conversation. Just decide as a family, ये हम ऐसे करेंगे, and follow it. The child will throw tantrum. They will throw tantrum for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. After 3 days, they will be enjoying with their toys or whatever they have, a non-screen thing that excites them. Probably drawing, coloring or anything.
बिल्कुल.
They will start enjoying that.
बिल्कुल.
उन्हें wall पे color करके मजा आ रहा होगा. Damaging a wall, actually it's not a damaging, that is their creativity. It's much better than damaging their own brains.
Wow. So right. और हम उस चीज के बारे में सोचते रहते हैं कि ये दीवार पे ना लिख दे.
Exactly. Parents come to us and say कि कैसे unsupervised छोड़ दूँ, वो kitchen में जाके अंडा फैला देता है, ये कर देता है. What is more important, अंडा, टमाटर या आपके बच्चे का दिमाग?
Right.
Yeah. So just coming on that point, ki what is it that we can do when now the screens have already been exposed to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years old children? Stop access of screens at home.
नहीं, but हम abruptly तो नहीं कर सकते ना.
हमने मील टाइम से स्टार्ट किया ना, हम वहाँ से कर सकते हैं. एब्सोल्युटली 24/7 365 डेज एकदम से नहीं हो सकता. वी सजेस्ट दैट इन एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशंस वेयर इट्स एक्चुअली बिकम एडिक्टिव टू चिल्ड्रन, बट फॉर दिस यंग एज just start from one part of the day. For example, 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening or 15 minutes at night, maybe just the dinner time. Let's start with the dinner time कि ये 15 minutes ना अब हम टीवी नहीं देखेंगे, चुपचाप खाना खाएंगे, बात करेंगे, क्या करेंगे पता नहीं, लेकिन स्क्रीन नहीं देखेंगे. Maybe we will do silent eating, it's okay. Or maybe we will start fighting. Because अब खाली बैठे हैं तो we will point out, scrutinize each
More
other.
often than not. But yeah, but then the prefrontal cortex will take place.
Yeah,
and
prefrontal cortex gets developed by the age of
it keeps developing till the age of 20.
23.
Oh, 23.
Yeah, you know it better.
मतलब नहीं, बट पता है ये एक्चुअली बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज हमें लगता है ब्रेन तो हो गया चलो 7 साल तक डेवलप, कुछ लोग तो 3 साल बोलते हैं 7 साल, बट प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स कीप डेवलपिंग, नाउ यू सेड इज टिल द एज ऑफ 23, और तुम्हारे पास काफी स्कोप है इंटेलिजेंट बनने का।
डेवलप अपने आप तो नहीं हो रहा ना,
हाँ कोई
उसका एक्सपोजर मिलेगा तभी तो वो होगा। जस्ट इमेजिन 23 इयर्स तक आपका बच्चा एक ऐसी गाड़ी में बैठा है स्टीयरिंग व्हील की जिसमें ब्रेक्स नहीं है, ही इज ऑन द व्हील बट गाड़ी में ब्रेक्स नहीं है, तो कैसी चल रही होगी गाड़ी?
तो बेटर उसको रोड ऐसी दे दो जहाँ पे सही से चल जाए
और वो सीख जाए,
और वो सीख जाए।
सेम गड्ढे हो,
बिल्कुल।
गिरे, उठे और सीख जाए। तो वो तभी होगा ना जब हम चैलेंजेस देंगे। अगर हम स्क्रीन दे देंगे और सब कुछ ईज़ी एक्सेस दे देंगे तो वो कैसे डेवलप होगा?
Like they always say, and I always put this in most of my podcasts. So, एक फिलॉसफी है, बहुत सच फिलॉसफी है, कोई भी यहाँ पे बैठा है वो सोच सकता है कि हार्ड टाइम्स जब आते हैं ना, जब हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ दिस थिंग कि हार्ड टाइम्स
क्रिएट स्ट्रॉन्गर पीपल।
या दे क्रिएट स्ट्रॉन्गर पीपल, एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर पीपल ना इजी टाइम लेकर आते हैं
यस।
कि हाँ सब अच्छा है, सब बढ़िया है, और ये जो सब अच्छा है सब बढ़िया वाला टाइम होता है ना, ये सॉफ्ट इजी गोइंग पीपल बनाते हैं और वो फिर से हार्ड टाइम
हार्ड टाइम फेस करते हैं।
तो
एब्सोल्युटली। इट्स अ लूप, इट्स अ बूमरैंग।
इट्स या एग्जैक्टली, इसीलिए ना कभी कभार ना चीजें कुछ डेलिबरेटली करनी पड़ती हैं ताकि आपका बच्चा, इवन दो इफ यू आर अ हार्ड पर्सन, यू क्रिएटेड अ इजियर टाइम, make sure that your child still again goes through a little bit of hard time, even though if it is created on top of it.
And you know what's interesting? That's the nature of life. That's the natural flow. Life is happening this way. But as parents, we try to disturb the flow of nature.
Yeah, in fact आपके बात से मुझे वो याद आ रहा है, वो बटरफ्लाई और कोकून वाला एग्जाम्पल, यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड अबाउट दैट ना, मेटामॉर्फोसिस, कि एक बच्चा था, उसने देखा कि ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल से बटरफ्लाई निकल रही है उस कोकून से, तो उसने उसको काट के कोकून को निकाल दिया बटरफ्लाई को, एंड द विंग्स ऑफ द बटरफ्लाई couldn't develop and the butterfly died after that. The idea of the kid, the butterfly coming out of that cocoon was the wings go through that process of metamorphosis so that they are formed and the butterfly can fly.
Yes. So we need to see that all of this is happening for a reason. Everything happening to us for a reason. It's preparing us for a bigger good, for a bigger purpose. So let's not try to create safeguards around our children कि उनको हर चीज से बचा ले. This is the way things are. Let them learn to face this.
So true. Thank you so much. But before that, virtual autism, uh, do you want to answer this?
Please go ahead.
Okay. So basically virtual autism, अभी इसलिए बता रहा हूँ आपको, ये थोड़े दिन पहले एक केस आया था, एंड वेरी क्लासिकल। होता क्या है, जब बच्चा बहुत ज़्यादा स्क्रीन देखता है तो उसको रियलिटी और स्क्रीन लाइफ में डिफरेंस नहीं समझ में आता, एंड उसके जो, मैं बहुत सिंपल वर्ड्स में बता रहा हूँ कि उसके जो रिएक्शंस होते हैं, जो इमोशनल रेगुलेशन होती है, वो ब्लंट होती जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज उसको वही रियल लाइफ लगने लगती है जो उसको वर्चुअली देख रहा है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट उसके कुछ सिम्टम्स ऐसे होते हैं जो एक्चुअल ऑटिज्म को मिमिक करने लगते
Because there's an impact on the social and communication domain and
Completely
autism.
gone.
Yeah.
हैं, एंड क्योंकि वो मिमिक करते हैं तो पेरेंट्स गेट वरीड कि अरे ये क्या हो गया, तो आई कांटेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहे, लाइक यू सेड वो वाले इम्पैक्ट की वजह से वो हो गया। The only good part about this is that it's reversible. If you limit the screen, it goes back to normal. So yeah.
But that's one part, virtual autism. Like I was telling you earlier, ADHD and ODD,
Yeah.
even due to screen, hyperactivity, impulsivity, lack of concentration, lack of focus, attention span, all of this is
All are
created.
getting, yeah.
ODD is oppositional defiant disorder, which is basically defiance and rebellious. Now, these are normal behaviors that will come to you as you grow.
And ये बस exaggerate हो जाते हैं।
वो symptoms same है and we correlate them as a disorder. एंड एक्चुअली वो अगर आप एपीए की डेफिनेशन से देखोगे आपको बिल्कुल फिट दिखेगा. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट टू डिफरेंशिएट कि इज इट एक्चुअली अ न्यूरो डाइवर्जेंस और इज इट अ सिम्टम ऑफ समथिंग एल्स. And if it's difficult for us as an expert, just imagine how a parent can take care of it or prevent something like this. That's why a stitch on time saves 9.
Absolutely.
Start on time.
And also it's an urge that don't label kids with these definitions until you are really sure, because a label can actually completely divert the roadmap of treatment to
Even if we are sure, Parvarish says these are still labels. Even if we are sure, like I say, even if it's very clear the child is on neurodivergence and he is showing symptoms of these, again the child is exhibiting these behaviors.
Yeah.
It's not exposure देके वो भी हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है. हमारी जनरेशन, हम लोग स्क्रीन्स के साथ, we didn't grow up in with screens. I remember I was in grade 7 or 8 when the first desktop came to our place, and still we have learned technology. So there is nothing that we cannot learn. Neuroplasticity.
Yeah, exactly. So true. So life is a journey in which we keep learning lifelong. And I actually wrote this to end this today. The cure to digital addiction is not less tech. It can't be less tech. Like you said, कि इतना AI है, इतने screens है, इतनी हर जगह tech है, so it cannot be less tech. हम कर ही नहीं सकते वो. So the cure to digital addiction isn't less tech. It's more touch, more talk, and more time together. Like you're correctly.
Absolutely, absolutely. Addiction का antonym है connection.
So well said. I think with that, addiction का antonym है connection.
So
So
if you're
start
struggling
building
with-
connections.
Exactly. If you're struggling with addiction of anything, screen, substance, junk food, anything, just focus on connect.
In fact, ये बहुत interesting point आ गया. वही है, but
There are a lot of researches on rat around the rat park and everything, how when rats were exposed to connection and all the touch and everything, they could actually deal and manage themselves with the addictions.
मैं actually कुछ research का ही part बोलने वाला था. Oxytocin होता है. So oxytocin ना is a bonding hormone.
Yes.
जब मम्मी बच्चे को दूध पिलाती है, breastfeed करती है, there's oxytocin that's released. When you hug a person that you love and you like it, oxytocin is being released.
For 15 seconds of hug.
Yeah, I mean,
Not
there is
for a 2 or 3 seconds of hug.
yeah. So okay, that might sound creepy to certain people, but 10 seconds तक छोड़ ही नहीं रहे. So but yeah,
So you said loved ones.
yeah, loved ones of course. हाँ, obviously don't go seeking out oxytocin from random people.
You're unsafe touch.
You will go, yeah, that's an unsafe touch. So oxytocin on one hand, this is scientifically proven thing, can balance your dopamine.
Yes.
So now see how nature has also created. कि भाई screen से अगर ये आ रहा है ना, तो try to create real life bondings. It will help you in screen de-addiction also. Thank you so much, Manvi. So much. It was a very insightful talk today.
Thank you.
बच्चों के स्क्रीन टाइम का सोल्यूशन सिर्फ रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं, कनेक्शन है. और जैसे मानवी ने कहा, हर छोटा स्टेप, चाहे डिनर के वक्त फोन साइड पर रखना हो या एक फैमिली वॉक लेना हो, वो बचाता है बचपन. अगर आज की बात ने आपको सोचने पर मजबूर किया हो, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, ताकि और पेरेंट्स भी अपने बच्चों के डिजिटल वर्ल्ड को समझ सकें. और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा, ताकि डॉक्टर डैक टॉक शो के नए एपिसोड्स आप तक पहले पहुंच. मैं हूं डॉक्टर गौरव निगम. मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में एक नए थॉट, एक नए सोल्यूशन के साथ. टिल देन, स्टे क्यूरियस एंड स्टे कनेक्टेड एंड कीप पेरेंटिंग विद हार्ट.